Hey guys, what's up? Beastie here. Cringy intro. Sorry. Anyway, sorry for not posting a video in a while, but I've seen other people play this My Little Blacksmith shop on YouTube, and I was super excited. I kind of just wanted to try it out. Oh, I got my hammer ready. But I was super excited to try this out. Okay, pick up is right click. Oh. Rotate object, hold Alt. Oh, that's how you rotate it. Got it. Okay, anyway. So, oh, it's a mirror. Hey. Okay, I'm ready to start the day. I'm looking super good, even though I did not comb my hair, but we're still good. Okay, let's go make some. Oh, there's some people already. Oh, we get to. Ooh, okay, crappy swords. Okay, whatever. Okay, we're here. Oh, okay, left. Okay. Oh, we need ignits. Oh. Oh, people are coming. That's good. I think we already have stuff. Yeah, we already have stuff, so we don't need to. Yeah, we don't need to order anything right now. Okay. So, who wants to come and get some nice goodness? Nobody? No. Right click to pick up parts and drop them. Oh, 1 second, I'm done with that. That's it. Got it. Okay. Anybody want some? I got. Oh, it's open. Oh yeah, now it's open. Hey, anybody? Do you like it? You want some? You want some? Want some tasty goodness? Want some tasty goodness? Okay, can I change the name of my shop because it's bad? Okay, I'll just whatever. Good. Okay. Oh, someone's here. Hey. Great sword. Sure. I don't know how to do that. I think you put these on there. That's what I've seen. Oh! Great sword. I don't know how many it requires. It's that thing. I think it's 30. Oh, she can wait for a long time. Yeah, she is. Oh, ready? Oh. Ready? Oh, wrong one. Okay. And ready? Get on there. And not ready still. Okay, got it. It's ready. Okay. They're just kidding. Oh. Did you want a copper great sword? Oh, sure. There we go. So we got 2-hand grip. Damn it. Sure, we'll do it on the floor. Oh. No, I did not want that. Hey. Hey, shoot, ma'am? Ma'am? We're having some difficulties, ma'am. Does this work for you? Are you okay with this? Because this isn't a great sword. Okay. Okay, I think she. It's good, and then you got drop it on there. Come on. Come on. Come on. You serious? God dang it. Get on there. Ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, ma'am, I'm gonna ask you to calm down, okay? It's a simple problem. Simple, we can fix it. It's not Oh! Did I do it? Ma'am! Here, I'm in it! Ma'am! Ah! It's right there! Oh! She came back. That's great. Next customer, let's be cooking. So, I just have copper, so that's okay. Just making sure I didn't need to have, like, any... Oh, new customer? Great hammer. I'm in a hurry. Kill yourself. Hi, hi, in a hurry. My name is, Beast. Yeah. How do I have $238 in there? I have nothing in there. You ready yet? You ready? Nope. I don't know how to make a great hammer. So, other instructions? I don't know. Damn it. Whoops. There we go. I'm making it. I'm hurrying. No, I think you just keep banging at it. Hammer! I did it! Okay, I'm going. Oh, that was terrible. That just like, oh, that was terrible. Pole arm grip? Do you want a pole arm grip? Probably not. We're gonna get one arm grip? Does that... The great hammer. No. No, I want this. Get on there. Damn it. Come on. I'm having a hard time here. Sir, I'm gonna ask you. Oh God. Okay. Get out of my life. Let's get that up there. How do I? Are you gonna be okay with this, sir? Is this gonna be okay for you, sir? Oh, is this gonna be good for you, sir? Are you okay with this? Do you like this? Do you want this? Do we need this? Where's that thing? Where that I just had there? Go! Jesus Christ. Where did that even go? Where? Here you go. Take it. Take it. I will freaking kill you. Oh my God. Do you want some of this? Do you want some of this hammer? Because I can use it for other things. Here. I don't think I made it right. Did I make it right? Probably not. Am I missing something? Let's see if this works. If I put this on here, like there, and I put this on there, like there, and I made. How about this? Are you? First of all, why am I crouching? And second of all, where did he go? What do you want? Is it because I feel tired? I bet I feel tired. Yep. Okay, well that's what it is then. I'm gonna get some. Can't freaking see that. God dang it, can I just go to... Screw this. Okay, I need to go to bed. If you get your hammer, will be... That's where it is. Got it. We don't have any of those. Yeah, we don't... Okay, you know what? You suck. So that's how you make everything. Because I don't have any of those. Can I go not any faster right now? To close the door, but whatever. Let me go back to bed. I always take my paper with me, you know. Go to bed. Go to bed. There we go. I feel refreshed, and I'm still crouching. What did I freaking do? See? Oh, I was crouching. That's the problem. Got it. Shop closed. Not yet. I don't have any parts. That's the thing. So I need to buy grips. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know. Sure. There they are, right there. 2-hand grips. So that's what it is. Okay. Hold up. Didn't I close? It says close, lady. Whatever. Okay. Great sword. Got it. Great sword coming right up. Here you go. I'll put that on there. Put that on there. Take that. I'm missing copper. Copper ingots. I can't see copper ingots. I'll do another one. 4. Oh, you piece of crap! I need this. Yeah. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my god. I need a great sword, so got it. Okay, and that requires this thing? I'm gonna say it's this thing. So I need to drop you on you, like this. Okay, it doesn't need to be up here. Damn it. Come on. There, and I need damn it, what? Hey, guards. What? Sure. Place order. Oh god. Okay, that's the wrong one. This one. This one. Go. Go. Hurry. Kill yourself. Come on. Oh my. How do you make a freaking great sword? That's what I was doing. This is bullcrap. There's a freaking great sword right here. Seriously, does it need to be on that? I swear if it needs to be on that. It does, kind of. Oh my god. What is even going on right now? You want a hammer now? Do you? Oh my god. You know what? It's pissing me off. Okay, but I'm gonna do it. You, get over there. Okay, whatever. Kill yourself. Hey, one-hand hammer. Get out of there. There you go. Yep, coming right up, Mr. Man. You got a long name. You ready? Okay. Ready. Wrong button again. One-hand hammer. So this is a one-hand grip, and then I had a one-hand thing, right? Is that it? That's a fancy one-hand grip. Okay, well I don't give a crap about that. So, okay. So one-hand grip, right? So you need Excellent. Thank you. Oh, I made business. Finally. For once in my life. Now, you know what? I need a bunch of ingots. What do you want? Here, pick up that great sword. Yep. Here it is. That was quick, yeah. Because I already kind of had it made, so. To restock these. Get it right on the shelf. Oh, some girls coming in. What do you want, piece of crap? A great hammer. Okay. Calm your freaking pants down. There you go. Okay. Ready? Go right there. How are you not ready? Come on. Kill yourself. Oh my god. Get on top. Get right on top of there. Damn it. We're good. Great hammer? Okay. So it has like the two-handed grip, which, damn it. Two-hand grip. There we go. There we go. Copper great hammer. That's a great hammer, right for you. Yeah. Ooh! Was I? Strength +1. Agility. Got it. Nice. Okay, well, I'm pretty sucky, but you know. We're good. And there's more. Yeah, okay, what do you want, bud? Jesus, come on, Copper. Don't be like that. He wants, literally. You just need a pole arm? Is that literally it? Okay, well, I want this. So what if I do like this, like pick this up, right? Then like hit it on here a bunch. No. There you go. It has a thing, it has a, I need that, but okay, whatever. I'm gonna need to go buy more stuff. Okay, I need more of those. I need, one-hand grips, two-hand grips. Green hammer, please. Okay. I'll give you that, you piece of crap. I thought I ordered 3, I did. If you could carry more than one thing, that'd be amazing. That'd be really good right now. They're going. Did I order you yet? No. There you go, folks. Okay. We're good. Okay. We're good. We're doing super good. I'm the tastiest farmer of them all. Wants a great hammer? Got ya. Okay. Here's your hammerhead. Great hammer has a two-hand grip. Everything great has 2 hands, right? You need 2 hands for a great hammer. Great hammer. Yay! Here you go. This will do. That's perfect. What are you talking about? Oh, I have a large. Okay. I have that. Whoever wants just a hammer. If anyone wants a hammer. I need crap ton of copper, dude. Copper is needed. We good? No? It's nighttime, but we're still open. I feel tired. That means we have to go back, is my guess. What's in these? Anything useful? No, nothing at all. Now, I need to get more copper. Copper ingots. I have 8. 6. There you go. Hey. You are good. Good. Okay. So, closed for business. And now back to my bed. Dude, I love this game. Well, anyway, guys, I'm going to have to end that video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will make a part 2 for sure. And like, subscribe. See you next one. Bye.